If you're a leader and you still feel like you don't fully get AI, you're not alone. But here's the truth. The real risk isn't the tech, it's the lack of clarity. AI is already reshaping how your teams work, how your customers think, and how your competitors move. But when leaders don't know how to talk about it, they default to silence, jargon, or hype. And that creates confusion, stalls momentum, and erodes trust. You don't need to become an AI engineer, but you do need to communicate what AI means for your mission, your message, and your team. That's what I help leaders do. Turn AI confusion into confident, clear messaging through short-form video and strategy that actually makes sense. AI isn't just a technical shift. It's a leadership communication challenge. And the ones who explain it well will lead the next wave of trust and traction. If that's what you're aiming for, follow along. Let's make your message land. And last,